It's been a long time and I'm back with a new course just released on Udemy. It's about Copilot Studio and especially working with generative AI. I have been avoiding it for a long time because of all the issues and problems. I really didn't have nerves to deal with it. But after I released my previous course, one of the comments that I got from an old friend, young friend, was about Copilot Studio. And I said, no way, I'm not going to go around this. But after that, I was curious, shall I look into that? Again, I looked into that, say, hold on a second. This is compared to what I've seen a few months ago is day and night difference. So let's start building a course on this. And as I started, we had some other issues. The issue was that after recording like 8-9 lectures, all of a sudden, Microsoft changed the entire UI and they launched their new designer. Well, I had to record quite a few of those lectures again and continue and finish the course. But what is in front of you, it has a lot to learn. It is designed for absolute beginners who have no clue of how the chatbot works, how to create a Copilot inside Copilot Studio, and it is designed for non-techies. Although I have a few chapters for techies and pro developers, but it is baby steps going one by one through the features, through the topics, and through everything that you need to know to put a chatbot together for your public websites, for your apps, or for your teams to work with. Now, let me show you what I have cooked for you and how you can get it for free. Let's get to the main point. You all know when I release a new course, always I put out some free course coupons, and this one is not an exception, but with a tiny difference. There is no free course coupon for all, which means my current students have priority. If you have completed any one of my courses in the past, just share that certificate and you will get your free course coupon. And this is how it works. If you see this video on LinkedIn, simply go to the comment section, share a screenshot of your certificate in the comment. Done. I will contact you and I will send you a free course coupon. If you're watching this video on Facebook or you're watching it on YouTube, in both those cases, there is a link in the video description. Click on the link and it takes you back again to the LinkedIn post. Go to the comment section, again put a screenshot of your certificate in the comments and I will get back to you with a free course coupon. Now that we have it out of the way, let's go quickly and take a look into the course content. The course starts with an introduction. I personally believe that citizen developers can build copilots a lot better than pro developers. I will explain it in the course why. We will go through the course roadmap. By the way, all these 3 lectures to see where the course is and where it's going to take you are free for previews. So even if you haven't made up your mind about enrolling in this course, you can simply go see the previews and after that you can make up your mind. After the introduction, I have a long section which is almost 3 hours. No surprise, I'm targeting citizen developers, so everything is starting from scratch and I'm building up step by step all the elements you need to know on how to use Copilot Studio. After we learn the basics, the next section is going to be generative AI in Copilot Studio. This is new, it's still in preview, but it's doing miracles. It's an hour lecture. We are using everything that we have here, but we are adding the generative AI to the chatbot that we create. By the way, we are following a supermarket chat project and all the documents, files, pictures, or everything else that you need to follow the exercises are already on my OneDrive and the links are shared in the course. After we build the Copilot, I will show you how you can publish, share, and secure your Copilot. So we talk about security, we talk about channels, and we talk about how to host your Copilot in different places, including Teams and your public website. And in the end, this last section is not that much for citizen developers. I built this for my old friends that they have been pro developers and they are used to the content that I'm creating, especially for them. So in the last section, you will learn how to use Copilot in conjunction with Power Apps and Power Automate. I will show you how you can call Power Automate flows from Copilot Studio, and also I will show you how to put your chatbot inside Power Apps as a part of your work. Apart from all of that, I will show you how to package and deploy the entire thing, I mean Copilot, Power Apps, and Power Automate in one solution and deploy it to another environment. If this is something that you like, then you're spending your weekend watching my courses and doing exercises. And one more thing, during this course, I'm talking about adaptive cards for the beginners. But if you want to learn more about adaptive cards, next week's YouTube video is about using adaptive cards, especially to collect input from the users. So stay tuned. As soon as the video is ready, I put the link here. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on Udemy.